Warm mix asphalt has great benefits over the standard asphalt that arrive on site at the higher temperatures. There is no difference in workability with the standard asphalt, and all requirement compactions are met on site. The benefits of using warm mix asphalt is you can multi-layer in the same day if the site conditions allow, this reducing the time on site, lowering our carbon footprint. We found that there is no difference between warm mix asphalt and the standard material. The compaction, the workability and the spread rates are all the same. We never take the environmental benefits for granted in this fast-growing world. With construction industry at a high at the moment, any impacts we can do to reduce our carbon footprint from site to office is at our forefront of our business model.